Wait, stop right there. Are you one of the 95% of people actively sabotaging your own productivity every single day with AI? Seriously, think about it. Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are cutting straight through the absolute chaos of the 2026 AI market to completely transform your daily workflow. Because here's the crazy truth. 95% of us are wasting massive amounts of time just endlessly jumping between dozens of viral AI apps that literally just launched this week. The stakes here are your time and your sanity. Every single week, a shiny new tool goes viral, promising to write better, code smarter, or replace Google forever. And the reality is that every new tool claims to basically do your job for you. But trying to juggle 100 different bots, it's causing an absolute epidemic of tool overwhelm. The expectation is incredible productivity, but what actually happens? You end up with 50 open browser tabs and total paralysis. You aren't finishing your work faster, you're just drowning in a sea of different chat interfaces. So we are going to fix that right now. The secret isn't hoarding more AI tools. The secret is choosing the exact right tool for each job. You do not need hundreds of tools. You really only need the right 5. By revealing the definitive stack of just 5 AI tools, each with its own specific superpower, you'll be able to handle almost everything you do. All right, let's get right into it. Kicking things off with our very first powerhouse, the ultimate research engine, Perplexity. Look, research is the foundation of almost everything we do, right? And Perplexity represents a massive paradigm shift. Instead of handing you 10 blue links that you have to manually click through yourself, Perplexity acts like a tireless, lightning-fast researcher. It goes out, searches the live web, reads multiple sources, compares the facts, and then synthesizes all that live information into one cohesive, super clear answer for you. And the absolute superpower here? It's transparency. If you're a student, a researcher, or just a busy professional, having instant, verifiable citations is going to save you literally hours of fact-checking. You never have to sit there wondering if the AI is just hallucinating a random detail. You can verify every single claim instantly just by clicking the footnote. It's a real game changer. Moving on to tool number 2, and honestly, this might be the most underrated platform on our list. Google's Gemini Notebook, your new personal knowledge assistant. Now, crucially, this is not just another standard chatbot. You literally upload your own world directly into this closed-loop system. We're talking your PDFs, entire books, Google Docs, meeting notes, even YouTube transcripts. By doing this, you drastically reduce hallucinations because the AI only answers questions based strictly on the exact sources you provided it. You are essentially chatting directly with your own files. How cool is that? But wait, the absolute game changer here is a feature called audio overviews. Imagine taking a dense, wildly boring 300-page financial report and turning it into an engaging, conversational AI podcast. You can literally listen to it on the go while you're driving or walking the dog. It completely revolutionizes how we absorb heavy information. Next up, tool number 3, the core Google Gemini platform, which is an absolute multimodal powerhouse. Gemini's true superpower is its multimodal nature. So while most AI out there focuses purely on text, Gemini natively understands and analyzes 1-hour meeting videos, complex visual charts, audio files, and images right out of the box. You can literally drop a giant spreadsheet or a recorded video straight into it and just ask it to extract the data for you. Plus, and this is a big one, it fits completely naturally into the Google Workspace ecosystem you're probably already using for work or school anyway. Gmail, Drive, Docs, Calendar, it's all there. This is huge because it finally stops that constant annoying copying and pasting between different apps. Everything just seamlessly integrates right into your existing daily routine. All right, let's talk about tool number 4, Claude. This is your undisputed writing and coding expert. When you need absolutely top-tier, polished output, Claude is the one you want. Whether you need remarkably consistent, human-sounding, long-form business copy, think articles, reports, marketing emails, or you need a rigorous development partner to hunt down complex bugs and build out applications, Claude just delivers. It possesses this incredible level of nuance in its text and code generation that professionals are absolutely raving about. And its standout feature? It has this dedicated workspace. You can edit your documents and your codes side by side with the AI. You keep your chat on one half of the screen and your actual project on the other so you aren't constantly bouncing between separate windows. It keeps your brain and your projects incredibly organized. And finally, tool number 5, the consistent all-rounder that millions still rely on every single day as their primary assistant, ChatGPT. What makes ChatGPT so special in 2026 isn't just its raw intelligence. It's the sheer reliability it maintains when you feed it a workflow with, say, 20 different, highly specific steps. It doesn't get confused. It doesn't randomly forget step number 4 halfway through the process. It follows complex logic beautifully. Because of that rock-solid consistency, it remains the absolute best tool for everyday heavy lifting. It's ideal for intricate planning like complex business strategies, generating perfectly timed travel itineraries, deep creative brainstorming sessions, and orchestrating your overall task automation strategy. It is the powerhouse you want for massive, multi-layered planning. All right, so here is the climax of this whole explainer, the ultimate 2026 AI workflow. We need to stop treating these like totally separate apps. So, how do top professionals actually build an unstoppable workflow? By combining all 5 of these superpowers? Well, instead of using a hammer to cut wood, you use the best AI for each specific job. Watch this. Step 1, you grab your live research and citations using Perplexity. Step 2, you dump that research into Gemini Notebook to deeply organize and understand it without worrying about hallucinations. Step 3, if you need to analyze a video or a complex chart, throw it into Gemini. Step 4, take those insights and write your polished draft or code over in Claude. And finally, step 5, bring all those pieces together into a structured master plan or final project using ChatGPT. By shifting to this exact workflow, you completely eliminate the overwhelm and maximize your output. But it brings up a wild thought. As these 5 tools get smarter, how long until they just start coordinating with each other without you even asking? Kind of crazy to think about, right? While we wait for that day, I want to hear directly from you. Which AI tool are you using the most out of these 5? Is it ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, or Google Gemini Notebook? Drop down to the comments right now and tell me exactly which one is your daily driver. Thanks so much for hanging out with me on this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next one.